Okay, so what if I told you that right now, as you're watching this video, your stomach is literally eating itself? Wait, what? Yeah, you heard that right. And that's just fact number 5. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, you're about to have your mind absolutely destroyed by science. I'm talking facts so crazy that when I first heard them, I literally had to Google them 3 times because I thought someone was pranking me. Today, we're diving into the top 5 most insane facts that sound completely fake but are actually 100% true. And listen, I'm not talking about boring textbook stuff. These facts are going to make you question everything you thought you knew about the world. So before we jump in, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell because I promise you're going to want to share this video with literally everyone you know. Trust me, you're going to be that person at the next family dinner dropping knowledge bombs. Alright, let's get into it. Starting off at number 5, and this one's going to make you think twice about lunch. Your stomach gets a completely new lining every 3 to 4 days. I know what you're thinking. Wait, my stomach is replacing itself. Like, constantly. Yes. Here's the deal. Your stomach is basically an acid pit. I'm not joking. The acid in your stomach is so strong, it can literally dissolve a razor blade. It's the same strength as battery acid. Pretty metal, right? But here's the problem. If your stomach is full of acid that can melt metal, why doesn't it just melt you? Great question. Your body is actually a genius. It knows that this crazy powerful acid is destroying the stomach lining. So it just goes, you know what? Let's just build a new one every few days. And that's exactly what it does. Every 3 to 4 days, your entire stomach lining is completely replaced with brand new cells. It's like getting a new paint job on your car, except it's happening inside your body without you even knowing it. That means you get a fresh stomach lining about 90 times a year. 90 times. Your stomach is basically the Wolverine of organs. It just keeps healing itself over and over again. So next time someone says trust your gut, just remember, your gut is literally only a few days old. It's basically a baby. Okay, moving on before I completely ruin food for you. Alright, fact number 4 is going to sound like something straight out of an anime. A mantis shrimp can punch with the force of a bullet and create light from the impact. Let me set the scene for you. You're a little fish, just swimming around, minding your own business in the ocean, and then bam, you get absolutely demolished by what looks like a tiny rainbow shrimp. That's the mantis shrimp. And it might be the most that's overpowered for anyone not into gaming creature on the entire planet. This little guy is only about 4 inches long, but its punch travels at 50 miles per hour. That's faster than a bullet from a .22 caliber gun. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's fast, but how hard can a shrimp really hit? Oh my friend, let me tell you. The mantis shrimp punches sulfur monoxide hard that it creates bubbles in the water, which sounds harmless, right? Wrong. When those bubbles collapse, they create a shock wave that's so powerful, it produces light called sonoluminescence. Yeah, this shrimp punches so hard, it literally creates light. And the temperature of that bubble when it collapses, about 8,500 degrees Fahrenheit. That's as hot as the surface of the sun. So let me get this straight. This tiny shrimp can punch at bullet speed, create light, and generate temperatures hotter than the sun. This is basically an underwater superhero. Oh, and I almost forgot, they can see 16 different color receptors. Humans can only see 3. That means they see colors that we can't even imagine. We're basically colorblind compared to these things. And if that wasn't enough, they've been known to break aquarium glass and literally break people's fingers. There are videos online of these things destroying clams like they're made of paper. If mantis shrimp were the size of humans, game over. They'd rule the world. Thankfully, they're tiny and live underwater, so we're safe. For now, coming in at number 3, and this one is equal parts wholesome and hilarious. The inventor of the Pringles can is buried in a Pringles can. Okay, so meet Fred Bohr. Back in the 1960s, this genius chemist was working on solving one of humanity's greatest problems: how to keep potato chips from getting crushed in bags. His solution? The iconic Pringles can. You know, that tall cylindrical tube that keeps all the chips perfectly stacked and unbroken. Now, Fred was really proud of his invention. like really proud. So proud that on his deathbed in 2008, he made one final request to his family. He said, "When I die, I want part of my ashes to be buried in a Pringles can." And his kids were like, "Okay, Dad, if that's what you want." So here's where it gets funny. After Fred passed away, his children were literally on their way to the funeral home, and they remembered his request. They pulled into a Walgreens, ran inside, and bought a can of Pringles original flavor, by the way, and used it as part of his urn. I mean, think about that for a second. This man loved his invention so much that he wanted to spend eternity inside of it. That's some next level dedication. It's honestly kind of beautiful in a weird way. Like, we should all be so lucky to create something we're that proud of. Also, can we just appreciate that his kids had to walk into a Walgreens and be like, "Yeah, we need this for a funeral." The cashier must have been so confused. But hey, Fred Bohr got his wish. And honestly, respect, once you pop, you literally can't stop. Being dead in a Pringles can. Okay, that was dark. Moving on. Number 2 is going to change the way you look at one of the most famous landmarks in the world. The Eiffel Tower can grow more than 6 inches. Taller during summer, so you know the Eiffel Tower, right? That big iron structure in Paris that everyone takes pictures of. Well, it turns out it's not just standing there looking pretty, it's actually growing and shrinking throughout the year, like a giant metal plant. Here's the science. The Eiffel Tower is made of iron, and when metal gets hot, it expands. During the summer, when temperatures rise, the side of the tower facing the sun heats up and the metal expands. This causes the entire tower to grow up to 6 inches. That's 15 centimeters for my metric friend Stoller. 6 inches might not sound like a lot, but we're talking about a structure that's already 1,083 feet tall. That's like if you woke up one morning and you were suddenly half a foot taller. You'd notice, right? But wait, it gets even cooler. Because the sun only heats up one side of the tower, it doesn't just grow taller, also leans slightly away from the sun. So the Eiffel Tower is basically doing the too hot, gotta lean away move that we all do when we sit too close to a campfire. And then, when winter comes and temperatures drop, the tower shrinks back down to its normal size. So the Eiffel Tower is literally breathing with the seasons. It's alive. Well, not really, but you know what I mean. Next time you visit Paris, just remember, depending on when you go, you might be seeing a slightly taller or shorter version of the tower. Wild, right? And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, fact number 1. And this one is going to absolutely destroy your brain. If you could fold a piece of paper 42 times, it would reach the moon. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, there's no way. That's impossible. Paper is thin. The moon is 240,000 miles away. This dude is lying to me. But hold on. Let me blow your mind with some math. Don't worry, I promise, it's easy math. A normal piece of paper is about 0.1 millimeters thick. Basically, really thin. Now, every time you fold a piece of paper, you're doubling its thickness, right? Fold it once, it's now 0.2 millimeters. Fold it twice, it's 0.4 millimeters. Fold it 3 times, 0.8 millimeters. You get the idea. Here's where it gets crazy. This doubling effect is called exponential growth, and it's one of the most powerful forces in mathematics. Let me show you how insane this gets. After 7 folds, your paper is about as thick as a notebook, 128 pages worth. After 10 folds, it's about as thick as your hand. After 20 folds, it's 100 meters tall. That's taller than the Statue of Liberty. After 23 folds, you'd reach 1 kilometer into the sky. After 30 folds, you'd reach space 100 kilometers up. But we're not stopping there. If you could somehow fold it 42 times, which by the way, is physically impossible because the paper would be too thick and too small to fold anymore. But if you could, it would be 439 billion millimeters thick. Let me put that in terms we can understand. That's about 273,000 miles. And guess how far away the moon is? About 239,000 miles. That means with just 42 folds of a normal piece of paper, you would not only reach the moon, you'd overshoot it by 34,000 miles. From a piece of paper thinner than your fingernail to the moon in just 42 folds. That's the insane power of exponential growth. This is the same math behind why compound interest is so powerful, why pandemics spread so fast, and why your parents always told you to start saving money early. The only problem is that the current world record for folding paper is only 12 times. Set by a high school student named Brittany Gallivan in 2002. She used a piece of toilet paper that was over 4,000 feet long, so we're a long way from 42 folds. But mathematically, it would totally work. Science is wild, people. Alright, so let's recap real quick because I know I just threw a lot of information at you. Number 5. Your stomach replaces itself every few days because it's basically an acid pit. Number 4. Mantis shrimp are tiny underwater superheroes that punch at bullet speed and create light. Number 3. The Pringles Inventor is literally buried in a Pringles can legend. Number 2. The Eiffel Tower grows and shrinks with the seasons like a giant metal plant. And number 1. Folding paper 42 times would reach the moon. Exponential growth is insane. So which fact blew your mind the most? Drop a comment down below and let me know. Was it the mantis shrimp? The paper to the moon? Or maybe you're just thinking about your stomach eating itself right now. Sorry about that. If you learned something new today, do me a massive favor and smash that like button. It helps the algorithm show this video to more people who love crazy facts just like you. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another mind-blowing video. Also, I want to hear from you. What crazy fact do you know that sounds fake but is actually true? Drop it in the comments and maybe I'll feature it in the next video. And hey, share this video with your friends, your family, that one friend who thinks they know everything. Trust me, they're going to love this. Thank you so much for watching, you absolute legend. I'll catch you in the next video where we're going to dive into even more insane facts that'll make you question reality. Until then, stay curious, stay awesome, and remember, your stomach is only 3 days old. Peace.